A 71-year-old man faces charges tonight after police say he kidnapped a young woman who had intellectual disabilities, Alvin Curtis Gale, arrested Friday after the victim's family reported she was missing. Rachel Perry reports now from Boynton Beach on how investigators tracked down that suspect.
According to court records, a 71-year-old suspect was working at a construction site outside the victim's home when the victim says he offered to take her to go get food. When she later asked him to take her home, she says he refused. Friday, Boynton Beach police were called for a potential abduction of a vulnerable adult with a, quote, mental capacity of a 5-year-old. The victim's uncle told them he saw his niece get into a silver SUV with an older man on his Ring doorbell camera. Using video from nearby homes, police learned the suspect had been working at a construction site outside the victim's home and was quickly identified as 71-year-old Alvin Curtis Gale. Police called Gale, who confirmed he was at a doctor's appointment and the victim was with him. Court records show the victim told them while in the car, Gale touched her face, leg, and kissed her on the lips, even asking if she'd have sex with him, also refusing to take her home. Gale immediately denied the claims, later stating he was not attracted to her but would have sex with her if she was willing, admitting he has had sex with, quote, slow females in the past.
People in the disabled community are definitely more vulnerable to instances of sexual assault, sexual violence, because a lot of times they are the more vulnerable people in society, and people prey on that.
Julie Weil started the Not Just Me Foundation, dedicating her life to helping victims of sexual violence.
They think that people won't report, that people with disabilities won't be able to easily communicate with advocates or get to an advocacy center, or people won't believe them.
Here in Palm Beach County, Weil says they have the resources to support anyone in need of help. Now, Gale was arrested on charges of kidnapping with intent of committing sexual battery. We'll have more information on resources available to victims of sexual violence and ways to seek help on our website. But for now, in Boynton Beach, Rachel Perry, WPBF 25 News.